Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.1 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. That is parallelogram MORE OR 6 cm, RE 4.5 cm, EO 7.5 cm. Let us take a parallelogram. Here we have taken a parallelogram. Here you see we have taken this parallelogram, and if we do the name and diagonal, here suppose this is the parallelogram, and if we give the name of this parallelogram, the name is MORE, that is M, this is M, O, R and E. Now it is given that OR is equal to 6 cm, OR, this is 6 cm. RE is 4.5 cm, this is 4.5, this is a rough sketch, 4.5 cm. EO means this diagonal is 7.5 cm, this diagonal is 7.5 cm. This is 7.5 cm, 5 cm. Now let us draw this parallelogram. First of all, you have to draw the diagonal. First of all, you have to draw the diagonal, that is 7.5 cm. Let us take a ruler. Let us take a ruler. Here we have taken a ruler here and draw a line of 7.5 cm. Here we have taken a line segment, that is 7.5 cm. Here you see we are taking 5, 6, 7, 7.5. Here you see this is exactly 7.5 cm, and name is EO. The name of this diagonal is EO. Let us write the name. It is E and it is O. It is exactly 7.5 cm, 7.5 cm. Right? If we take E as center, take a length of 4.5 cm. Let us take E as center, take a compass. Let us take a compass. We are taking a compass here, and with this one, taking this point at 0 point, at 0, and take this pointer at 4.5 cm. Let us take 4.5 cm. 4.5. This is 4. This is 4.4. 4.5. Here you see exactly 4.5 cm. Right? With E as taking this pointer at point E, take an arc here. Let us take an arc. Right? Again, take a measurement of RO, that is 6 cm. Let us take this pointer again at 0 point. Let us take this pointer at 0. Let us take this pointer at 0. Let us take this pointer at 0. Let us take this pointer at 0 again. This is exactly 0, and take this measurement as 6 cm. Let us take this measurement of arc is 6 cm. Here you see this is exactly 6 cm, and taking this pointer at O, take this pointer at O. Make an arc here. Right? We are getting a point, and the name of the point is R. The name of this point is R. Let us give the name here, that is R. It is R point. Right? If you draw this line, let us draw the line ER. Join ER and RO. Join ER and RO. Let us join this one. If we join this one, you are getting join this RO. join this one, join arrow, join arrow. Let us join this one. Right? Let us join arrow. Arrow is 6 centimeter. Right? Here arrow is 6 centimeter. Let us write the length of this arrow. Here is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. And join ER. Join ER, and that is 4.5 centimeter. Join the value ER. Join ER. Join ER, that is 4.5 centimeter. Join ER. Join ER. Right? The value of ER is 4.5 centimeter. The value of ER is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, ER is 4.5. 4.5 centimeter. Right? Again, we know that in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. Right? Therefore, we will take 4.5 centimeter again. Right? Let us take the ruler. Let us take the ruler and let us take 4.5 centimeter on the opposite side, right? Because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel, right? Right? Therefore, we take 4.5 centimeter. Let us take the compass and take the value 4.5 centimeter again and take this at 4.5 centimeter. Let us take this pointer here at point 0 and take 4.5 centimeter. 4.5, here you see this is exactly 4.5 centimeter, right? And the opposite side will take an arc with O as center. Here you see with taking O as center. With O as center, we are taking an arc here. With O as center, take a length of 4.5 centimeter with this arc. Let us take an arc that is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter, right? Now, you take the opposite side, that is this side, as 6 centimeter. It is again take the measurement of 6 centimeter. Take this measurement as 6 centimeter. Take this measurement. Take this measurement as 6 centimeter. Let us take this measurement. Take this point at 0. And take this value as 0. Let us take the pointer here and take 6 centimeter. 4, 5, 6, 6.1. This is exactly 6 centimeter, right? And with this pointer, take the pointer at point E and make an arc here. That is 6 centimeter. Take this pointer at E, and this is 6 centimeter. Let us take the arc. This is 6 centimeter. We know that in parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. And if we join this one, let us join this one. Join this. Join this one. Let us join this point. Let us join this point. Let us join this line. Right? Again, we'll join this point with the point O. Let us join this point again with O point. Let us join this point here. Now join this point. Right? You get the point here. This is, we get another point, that is MO. MO. And the value of OM is exactly 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. And the value of EM is 6 centimeter. We know that in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. Means this side is equal to this side and also parallel. And this side is equal to this side and also parallel. Therefore, it is a parallelogram, MORE. We are getting the required parallelogram. Right? Now, here you see again that what we have taken. Right? Here you see that this one, here you see that this is the required parallelogram. This is EO. You have taken EO as, we've taken this point EO as 7.5 centimeter. Then O as center, take a measurement of 6 centimeter, right? And E as center, take a measurement of 4.5 centimeter. You get the value of R and point R and join ER with RO. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. And you know that in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Again, we are taking this O as center, take 4.5 centimeter arc here, and with E as center, take 6 centimeter arc here and get the point M. Join EM and OM. Here you see, since the opposite sides are equal and parallel, it is 4.5 centimeter, it is also 4.5 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter, it is also 6 centimeter. Dear friends, this is the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.